Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure 1Password vault sharing for teams and clients, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your 1Password account on your preferred device. Navigate to the Vault section in the 1Password interface. Select the vault you wish to share. Click on the Share option typically found in the Settings menu of that vault. You will see a prompt to enter the email addresses of the team members or clients you want to invite. Type in the email addresses, separating multiple entries with commas. Choose the appropriate level of access for each invitee, such as View Only or Can Edit. Review the sharing options and make adjustments as needed. Once satisfied, click on the Send Invitation button. The invited team members or clients will receive an email with a link to access the shared vault. Inform them about checking their inbox for the invitation email. After they accept the invitation, they will have access to the shared vault based on the permissions you set. To manage sharing settings later, return to the vault's sharing options. From there, you can add or remove users as needed. If you want to revoke access, simply uncheck the users from the sharing list. Make sure to regularly review shared vaults for security and relevance. Encourage your team and clients to utilize the secure storage for all relevant credentials. This process ensures that everyone has the necessary access while maintaining security protocols. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.